This Rolls-Royce Phantom III from 1936 looks perfect now, but it wasn't always like this. What you're seeing here took years of patience. Let me show you where this story really began.
It hadn't moved in decades.
I found it sitting in a backyard, completely forgotten. She was the last person who remembered it running.
So much history buried under dust.
Rust had taken over almost everything.
It couldn't even support its own weight anymore.
Time didn't spare a single part. Even opening it felt risky.
The inside was in even worse shape.
This was once luxury.
She believed the car was beyond saving.
But I saw something different. But ice different. I decided to take responsibility.
And that's where it started.
There was no turning back. Next problem, moving it. This part had no room for error.
The car was extremely fragile.
Even lifting it was risky.
It was finally moving.
Years falling away. Everything had to line up. She made it. Oh. Now she's safe. Time to go.
A new chapter begins.
From backyard to workshop. This was the destination.
Where the real work starts.
Home for now.
And now we begin.
Step 1. Stripping it down begins with the wheels.
Each piece tells a story of wear and age. Even the hood had decades of history under it.
Every corner was a challenge waiting to be solved.
Original fittings had to be treated carefully.
Nothing inside was salvageable.
Even the heaviest pieces came off carefully.
Every glass panel tells a history of use.
The shell begins to stand alone.
Now we see the car as it truly is.
Sandblasting strips decades of neglect.
Every spot had to be dealt with.
Cleaning metal is a rhythmic process.
Every chemical application removes decades of corrosion.
Water brings clarity to what was hidden.
Every panel must be perfect.
Sanding gives the body its final lines. Even small shifts matter for perfection.
New steel makes the car whole again.
Preparation before painting is key. Every detail must be protected. Consistency is everything.
Foundation for perfection.
Time and heat help it cure evenly. The color must match original glory. Layer by layer, she returns. Patience ensures perfection.
Protection for decades to come.
Smoothing every imperfection. Ready for final shine. Mirror reflection begins to show. Every corner shines. Chrome gleams as it once did. Every panel fits perfectly. Sealing the cabin for comfort. The heart of the car is ready to be rebuilt. Now it's time to rebuild the heart of the car. Precision is everything here. Every bolt has to be exact. The gearbox will soon carry decades of power. Every movement is critical. Alignment must be perfect.
The foundation is secure. All systems coming together.
Next, the ride has to feel right.
Stopping power is just as important as going. Cooling system ensures longevity.
Every wire finds its place. Comfort is restored from the ground up. Every gauge lines up perfectly. Luxury returns to the interior. Control now feels precise. Every detail snaps back in place.
The cabin feels complete.
Almost ready to roll.
Details make all the difference. The emblem tells the story.
All systems filled, ready to start. Moment of truth.
Almost there, one more try.
The soul of the car roars. Every detail brought back to life.
Luxury preserved for decades more. Every component restored to perfection. Mirror-like finish, gleaming in light.
Finally, it moves again. Out into the world it goes.
From forgotten metal to moving legacy.
Every curve restored, every detail intact.
A journey completed. From dust and rust to perfection.
This is the story of restoration, patience, and love for a classic.